So here we are back to our lists. I deleted that 0 there, right there, so now if I print my list, it'll print out the entire, it'll print out the entire list. There we go. There it is. Nice and pretty. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this. So I'm going to go with, see, my list dot sort. And then I'm going to go with reverse equals true. There we go. So now what's going to happen is my list will sort itself. So this 10, 9, 89, 5, 7, 30, 1, 0 will sort itself in a reverse order. So let's execute this and see what it gives us. It gives us the reverse order. So it's going from the highest number to our lowest number. So it's going 89, 30, 10, 9, 7, 5, 1, 0. So it no longer matters what slot in my list these things are. So it doesn't matter that this is slot 0, and that this is slot 1, and this is slot 2, and this is slot 3. It no longer matters. What now matters is the value in those slots. And of course, if I were to change this to false, and I execute this now, so now instead of doing reverse order, it'll do the opposite of reverse order, which means it'll now go from lowest to highest. And once again, it no longer matters what is inside the list, right? So, same thing, but this time let's use integers and let's use strings instead of integers. So for this time, I'm going to go back to my pie. So key lime, and then I'll use banana, and I'll use cherry, and I'll use apple. When I remember to use my quotation marks, and I'll use let's just use strawberry. Strawberry. There we go. So now reverse is false. Well, what the heck is reverse meaning there? You know what? Matter of fact, let's just refresh everyone what'll happen without any sort of sorting at all. Without any sort of sorting, it's going to go in the exact same order that it went in no matter what. See, position 1, position 2, position 3, position 0, they're all in the same spot. So now this time, let's put that reverse order back in, and I'll hit execute here. Now this time we're not using numbers, we're using words. So what happened? Oh look, reverse order equals false, therefore we went in alphabetical order. It went A before B, before C, before K, before S. And even, you know what, if I were to even add in a second C there, let me put with a chocolate. If I execute this, it'll go apple, banana, cherry, C-H-E, comes before C-H-O, and now that's how you organize this sort of list. Of course, once again, if I instead do reverse order true, this time it should now go in reverse alphabetical order. So it went strawberry, then key lime, then chocolate, then cherry, banana, and apple. So you can always sort whatever list it is and completely ignore the order of the spacing inside the actual list itself. So now that we understand how to, organize a list and also how to make a list, now let's start adding entries and deleting entries from that list.